Alright guys, to make this portable Carpenter's vise, we are going to start off with a Jorgensen clamp. Some people call this a hand screw clamp, and I'm using the 8-inch version. I'm going to go ahead and bore a hole through there so we can fit a deep-throated C-clamp. Now the clamp I'm using has a deep throat, so it will be able to reach through the clamp, whereas a regular C-clamp isn't going to do that. Now I'm going to drill a hole in here to put a bench dog. That way it'll serve as not only a clamp, but a dogging system. And it's really that simple, guys. We just hooked two clamps together and mounted them on a table, and now we have a working and portable Carpenter's vise.